Hey guys, so I'm here today with my boyfriend Gary because he's going to help me with this unboxing.
Hello.
So it's a new box that I've not had before called Backsnackers. So this one is the Discovery one, which is 6 snacks, and then they're going to do an adventure one which is 12 snacks and an expedition one which is 24 snacks. So this one is $13.99. You can either get it on a monthly one or you can get it just as a one-off gift. And for the first 100 people, I do have a 10% off discount code for a lifetime subscription, which is Luna10. So I'll put that here on the screen now and put it down below as well. So we are going to open this and see what's in it and try all the snacks. So right on the top, we've got a little postcard of a metro map. And then we've got this little leaflet, which I am assuming tells us where the box is from. So each month it's a different country. This one is Korea. And in here, it's got like a little game. And then on the back, it's got a recipe for kimchi. And a little bit about like the Backsnackers thing. And then it's got a little list of what's in the box. I'm not going to go off that though, we're just going to eat what is in here. Okay, so we'll go from the top. This is kind of what it looks like inside. So we have 2 of these. Pepero, is that what they're called?
Pepero? I don't know.
Korea #1 brand. White cookie, white chocolate flavour cookie and cream. And chocolate and biscuit chunky crunchy. So 2 of those. Then we've got some shrimp flavoured crackers, which I think sound the most questionable in the box, honestly.
They're definitely the dark horse. So the
Oh, it says hot and spicy.
Sorted. Sold.
And then we've got honey flavoured twist snacks, honey and apple. Both of those are pretty big bags, I would say. And then we've got some strawberry sweet and sour chews from Crown, I think the brand is. And then we've got this little bag of ginseng candies, just like a little 3 of them in there. So we're going to start with these ones, which is the white chocolate cookie and cream ones. They look kind of like Pocky, which we have had before. But I don't think I've had this specific, like, brand. Oh, they're smaller than I thought.
Yeah, but they definitely look crispier.
Yeah, so they've got, this is what they look like. Got little cookie bits around them. Ready?
Yeah. I could eat them all day.
It's pretty good. It does just taste like cookies and cream. Like an Oreo. Well, maybe not an Oreo, maybe like more white chocolate than an Oreo, but like...
A little milkier. The
Good
biscuit
though.
is nice too.
Yeah, they're good. I'm not going to finish that because I'll just be eating all day. I'll eat it in a minute. We'll do these ones next just because they were next before. It just says these... Oh, it says crunky. Oh yeah, they are called crunky.
Not crunchy. Okay.
No, not crunchy, crunky.
Okay.
Crunky stick.
Okay.
This one is a fatter one, I would say.
It looks like a toffee crisp.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Tastes like a toffee crisp.
What is that? Like rice?
Biscuit.
No, but the little bit.
Yeah, biscuit. Yeah, just like a toffee crisp.
No, I'd say it's rice. Not like little puffed rice, like Rice Krispies.
Yeah, it could be. You can fight over it if you like. We could fight over it.
Which ones of those did you prefer?
They're both pretty equal. I'd say
those ones, the white
yeah,
ones.
cookie and cream.
Both really good though, but those ones are really nice.
Yeah, I can tell already there's not enough in each packet for me. I'll definitely eat loads of them at a time.
Yeah, so that was the Pepperos. And then We'll do the questionable shrimp flavored crackers next. It says hot and spicy. You love hot, like spicy stuff.
Yeah.
I kind of do sometimes. It depends how hot.
Come on, Mr. Muscle.
Oh wait, there we go.
There you go.
We get the spicy pepperamis, which are pretty hot. I feel like. Shall I grab one?
Yeah. Good.
Wait for me.
Wait for you.
Yeah. Ooh, they don't smell good. Smell.
I have a really bad sense of smell that I can't smell
They
anything.
smell super, super fishy.
Well, there's shrimp.
So this is, so that's what they look like. Kind of looks like a skinny, longer What's-It sort of thing. If you're in the UK and you have What's-Its. Ready?
Here you go. I don't know.
Same. When I first put it in, I didn't like it because it was immediately fishy. But then it kind of just went spicy and salty and it was okay.
There's a nice little hit of spice near the end of it. Like it doesn't hit you at first.
It kind of tastes like a prawn cracker, but crunchier and spicy,
Yeah.
I would say.
I don't know.
Not the worst. I feel like we're going to finish those.
Yeah. You might.
I wouldn't buy them, but like I won't let them go to waste. Like they're not bad, you know?
The heat builds over time. Like I'm feeling it more now than when I first ate them.
Yeah, but they were pretty good though. Okay, so honey flavoured twist snack, honey and apple.
I'm not excited for these ones.
No?
No.
Okay.
Go on, you did the first one. You can do this one. Go.
Oh, they smell good.
So can I smell anything? I had COVID, so.
They smell like churros.
It's been a minute since I had a churro.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, you go. They taste sticky.
They do taste sticky.
Not bad though.
Because it's honey, I guess.
I'd eat them not on their own. I'd have to have like chocolate or something with them while
I was
eating
just going to
it.
say, if
Like
you have
something-
some like Nutella or something to dip them in.
Good show.
Or like Biscoff's bread.
I'll go Nutella.
They're good though.
Mm.
I'm not getting no apple.
I think the apple is more the lingering taste after a minute. Like there's only like a slight sweetness to it.
Yeah. Good though.
Yeah, I wouldn't eat a lot of them. I wouldn't eat a full bag in one go though.
No. They're kind of like a churro. You'd have like a couple of them.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we've got these two sweets left. So we've got sweet and sour strawberry chews.
You wanna hammer this one with your nails?
No, it's okay. Oh, look, there's a little, yeah. There you go.
Here you go. Oh, I like this.
Yeah, they're cute. Little, like, individually wrapped. I'll show you. 1 second.
Yeah, I'm too quick.
Little individually wrapped strawberry sweets like this.
Oh, they look like the little sweets we used to get in school.
They look like high chews if you've ever had a high chew.
Alright. A chew it.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. Exactly like a chew up.
Very gum textured though.
Yeah, I'm enjoying
Like chewing gum.
I'm enjoying this. I remember if I ate these as a kid or anything like this, just sitting there annoying my mom. So, no. Yeah, you can taste the sourness. It's great.
Yeah.
Well, I chew on this all day.
Not very strong flavoured though.
What are you on about?
Clearly difference of opinion there. I wouldn't say that that's strong flavoured. Like strawberry wise, they don't taste very strawberry. They taste very like sweet and sour, but not strawberry. Well, a little. They were pretty good though.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd buy them.
Yeah. If they were grape.
No,
I would buy
strawberry's
them.
good. Strawberry's good. You have your grape.
Okay, now we've got the Korean ginseng candies. I'm not sure how I feel about this,
Not excited. Not buzzing big
No.
for these ones.
but there
Okay.
you go. Cute packaging. Has little, are they fish? Little kois on there, I think. Kind of looks like something you would get if you went to a restaurant, like on your plate at the end with the bill.
That's not a koi fish.
Is it not?
No.
It looks like it, kind of.
Looks
If
weird.
that's its head. I don't know. Is it a ginseng? What's a ginseng? Maybe it's a plant and that's the plant because there's like leaves on it.
Could be. Or one of those koi ginseng.
Oh. Oh no.
This looks like you know the sweets your nan would give you, like, you know, like you want a sucky sweet. There you go. That's exactly what it is.
Sucky sweet.
Yeah, I'm Irish.
Have
Okay.
you smelled it?
So can I smell it? I think my sense of smell is getting worse. All right, here we go. No.
Oh no.
Mm.
Oh no.
Mm.
Oh, it gets worse. It's like perfume.
Mhm.
It's literally like stuck in perfume.
Mhm.
Try to spit it out.
Mhm.
Here you go. Not for us, that
No.
one.
Mm-mm.
Rough. Would not recommend.
Nah. Good solid 2 out of 10.
I'd say 1 out of 10 for that one. Let's do a rating actually. So what would you rate the shrimp ones?
5, 6. I'll give a good 6.
Okay, I would say same actually, yeah, 6 on those ones. What about the honey ones?
Probably around the same, maybe a 5 because I felt I needed chocolate with it.
Okay, I'd say probably a 7 on that one. I'd go a bit higher on that one. What about these ones?
10s across the board.
10, that one?
Same.
I'd say a 9 on this one and a 10 on this one personally. And what about these?
Good 8.
8?
Yeah, just a bit too soury.
Yeah, 7 or 8 for those. So yeah, that was everything in the Backsnackers adventure box for $13.99. I think it was pretty good. I like trying different stuff. We usually go to like Korean shops and stuff and buy random things. So it's nice to try some different things. And like I said before, you can get it as a gift as well, like a one-off for a present or something if you wanted to. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, I will put all the information for them down below in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video and meeting Gary for the first time on here. Please subscribe if you're not already, and we will see you soon. Bye guys.
Bye.